Welcome to DesignForge, where we specialize in designing polymer parts optimized for future manufacturing using injection and blow molding techniques. Polymers are plastics and the most common materials for product design. At DesignForge, our experienced team ensures that every polymer part is designed with precision and expertise, crucial for successful manufacturing. Our knowledge in the field allows us to foresee and mitigate potential issues early in the design process. Here are 4 essential design considerations to keep in mind when creating parts for injection molding. Incorporating draft angles, typically greater than 1 to 2 degrees, is vital. This facilitates easy removal of parts from the mold, reducing the risk of damage and ensuring smoother production cycles. Uniform wall thickness is key. Maintaining it helps prevent defects such as warping and sink marks. It also ensures even cooling and reduces material stress. Rounded corners and radii are essential. Adding generously rounded corners and fillets improves material flow within the mold and reduces stress concentrations, leading to more robust parts. Avoiding undercuts in your design is crucial as they complicate the mold and increase costs. If undercuts are necessary, side actions or lifters can be used, but these should be minimized. At DesignForge, we apply these principles in every project. Our expertise in polymer part design ensures that our clients receive parts that are not only functional but also cost-effective to manufacture. The nuances of injection and blow molding require a deep understanding of material behavior and manufacturing constraints. Our team's extensive experience translates to reliable and high-quality parts for your products. Trust DesignForge for your polymer part design needs. With our expertise, your designs are in capable hands. Contact us today to learn more about how we can assist you.